Josiah, save Jonah.
Okay, I got it.
You save her? You save her out the water?
Yeah.
Where's she at?
He's gone. He's out.
Good job, Josiah. You saved Jonah. Does she need to go to the doctor? She's not moving. Help her. Help her. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
I squeezed her.
You squeeze her?
Yeah, who's that?
That's like CPR.
She walking.
What you do?
Oh, you are, Jonah.
Yay, Jonah! Yay, Jonah!
Look at her.
Get up, Jonah. You good now? Well, just I ain't put it back in the water.
Josiah, put it back in the water.
What? Say why?
I can't. Too heavy.
No, just like you in the water. The crocodile going to do.
Josiah, put her in the water.
Yes, okay.
She's swimming back to shore. She laid out.
Stop, Jonah.
Oh.
That's how you gonna need some help. You shaking the water out your ears.
Jonah, you gotta get up and save Josiah.
What? You're not gonna save Josiah?
Yeah.
What kind of person are you?
Get up.
Tell her, say, get up.
She trying not to laugh.
Okay, I put it in the water.
Put her in the water.
Huh?
Put her in the water.
I just we got eat
Back in the water with the big fish. See how they
Stop, Jonah.
Stop, Jonah.
Stop. Yeah.
You talking about stop. You're not even in there.
Jonah, you gotta get up. You saved now.
She said she won't candy.